Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to quit fan club on Poppo Live. So I have been thinking about how to quit fan club on Poppo Live, so I decided to make a little research on that. The first thing you have to do is to click on your profile icon found at the bottom of your screen. So clicking on it, you just have to click on the help option. So on my help option, I just have to click on message feedback, click on consult, click on others. Now type in my message, how to quit. How to quit fan club on Poppo Live. So after typing this message, you're going to receive a feedback within 24 hours. So this is the feedback I received within 24 hours. It says, dear user, kindly note that member of the fan club cannot be removed. They can only wait for the expiration dates. Fan club host can manually delete member. People who have been removed from the fan club cannot re-enter. Thank you for your understanding and consistent support. Have a nice day. Take note, you can wait for next month. If you don't renew, you will automatically quit. So there are two ways for you to quit a fan club. The first way is that the host of the group can remove you manually. Secondly, if you can wait for 1 month after the expiration of the group, then if you don't want to renew the fan club, you can automatically be removed. So guys, I hope this guides you on how to remove yourself from a fan club on Poppo Live. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.